Welcome, everyone. The greatest betrayal of your life will not come from them, it will come from you. Not when they betray you, but when you betray your own self. Not when they silence you, but when you silence your own voice. This is the deepest violence, and most of us commit it every single day without even realizing it. Today, let's examine the worst crime we ever commit. The worst crime you will ever commit is not against another. It is the crime of abandoning your own self. Every time you silence your truth to keep their comfort, every time you betray your body's no just to protect the yes, every time you dim your fire so no one calls it too much, that is self abandonment. And it does not just cost you a moment, it costs you your core. It chips away at self respect until one day you wake up a stranger in your own life. You think you've kept the peace, but peace built on betrayal is just another prison. You think you have kept love, but love that demands your disappearance isn't love, it's consumption. And here is the rawest truth. Every time you abandon your own self, you teach the world how to do the same. You rehearse your own vanishing. You practice your own unmaking. Self abandonment is the deepest violence. It is the wound you carve with your own hands. But it is also the one you can stop today. So let me ask you, where in your life have you abandoned your own self? Was it love when you kept forgiving what should never have been forgiven? Was it family when you swallowed your truth to hold their approval? Was it work when you carried their weight and silenced your exhaustion just to prove your worth? Where have you chosen silence? Not because you had nothing to say, but because you feared their reaction to your voice? Let's face the truth. Has their comfort ever been worth your disappearance? Has their approval ever filled the emptiness of betraying your own soul? Here is what I believe: the world may betray you, they may silence you, they may walk away. But the moment you abandon your own self, you join them. And you do not deserve that. So promise yourself this: not again, not for love, not for belonging, not for safety. Because the only belonging that matters is the one you keep with your own soul. And the only love that saves you is the love that refuses to leave yourself behind. The greatest betrayal is self abandonment, and the greatest act of power is refusing to unmake yourself again. So stand, even if your voice shakes, even if your hands tremble, stand for yourself. Because the day you refuse to leave yourself behind is the day you finally come home.